All Lucius Recom grow lights are the ideal option for either remote or combo orientations. Remote applications allow the ballast to be placed in an ideal environment and close to a power supply, decreasing the heat in a grow room. The vertical combination is ideal for high ceilings and easy access to the dimming knob. This orientation reduces shading of the sun in a glass or poly house. The Recom focal double-ended kit includes a focal reflector, a double-ended high-voltage lamp, and a Recom ballast. Other options include the horizontal orientation. The following steps should be taken to transition between vertical and horizontal orientations. Disassembly begins with removing the double-ended lamp by sliding the two holders apart. Remove the lamp carefully, ensuring the wires are kept straight. All Lucius reflectors use a mag-attached system, fixing and releasing reflectors with ease. Lucius focal reflectors are a commercial fixture with the highest average effective light. To remove ballast, simply pull lever forward and slide ballast down. When connecting the ballast, turn it so it is horizontal and slide it onto the T-slot. Release when locating pin on the lever finds its position on the ballast. Lucius broad reflectors are a widespread option, ideal for low ceilings. This is why they are recommended for use with the horizontal combination. Keeping the wires straight, reconnect the lamp carefully. Push lamp holders inwards to secure the lamp in place. Ensure the lamp holders are all the way closed when doing so. This completes the transition from vertical to horizontal orientation. The horizontal combination is great for low ceilings where extra space is needed between the lamp and the plant canopy. The Recom broad double-ended kit includes a broad reflector, a double-ended lamp, and a Recom ballast. In order to secure the grow light to the Recom handle, position the rear of the handle into the T-slot of the ballast. Bring the grow light towards the other end of the handle until the handle hooks are safely secured in the Recom box slots. This completes the assembly and disassembly of Lucius Recom double-ended grow lights. Please refer to your manual for more information or visit us at lucius.com.au.